am in Krakow, Poland. This is my very first time here in Krakow. I have been to Poland before, back in June to Warsaw. I believe Krakow is the most populated city in Poland though. Correct me if I'm wrong, but kind of different circumstances here in Krakow in November than in June in Warsaw. I was sweating my ass off in June. I have a plate of pierogi, not pierogies. Pierogi is plural, and one pierogi is a pierog. So this whole plate is a pierogi, a plate of pierogi, and then this one is a pierog. I think I got that right. Someone corrected me from my Warsaw video when I called it pierogies, because pierogi is already plural. It's probably gonna be hot, but whatever. Needs sour cream, but I almost forgot to do my intro. Hello, my name is Zach, and I like to backpack around the world. I love these buildings. They look incredible. I love the rooftops. A lot of these buildings are just buildings. They're nothing significant or anything, but they look really cool. But I do believe the building over here is a church. I am now here in what I'm assuming is the main square here in Krakow, Poland.
Hello.
Hello.
You are from?
America.
From?
The States.
US.
Tennessee.
Tennessee.
Yes. Where are you from?
Krakow.
Krakow.
Poland.
Poland. Yes. Yes.
Polish nobleman. You like it?
So far, yes.
How long do you visit Krakow?
Just today.
Only one day?
Yes.
Where is Poland? We're going castle.
Castle, I guess. Maybe.
Like 100 meters.
So in case you're not following me on Instagram, I told myself that I would only eat sushi once a week because I have been craving it way too much, and I have to eat it more on a schedule so I can still eat the local foods when I travel. So last Friday I was like, okay, let's just have sushi once a week, once every Friday. That's it, no matter where I'm at. With the exception of red-eye flights, which I might not be able to get sushi. I have a flight home from Copenhagen on November 30th, so I might not be able to get sushi then. So in those situations, I will get sushi that following Saturday. So yeah, okay. Here's a sushi place right here, and I'm pretty hungry because the pierogies weren't that good because they didn't have sour cream. So let's go in here. I never do walking tours, and I told Tony Florida I would do one in Krakow, so let's do it.
It became a place where majority of the Jewish people lived, and they could live only in trading cities because they could be only merchants or craftsmen. And Krakow was also a trading city. German merchants were coming here very often, so this is how Jewish people discovered it was a place also to settle down. And in Krakow, the same situation. No Jewish people were protected by the king. The Jewish quarter was created behind the town hall tower that you see at the other corner of the square. And they lived there until at the end of the 15th century, because then Christian merchants started to consider them to be a big competition. So they asked the king to expel the Jews. The king didn't agree, but in 1494 there was a fire that burned Christian houses around the square, didn't get to the Jewish quarter. So the next morning Christian merchants ran to the king John Albrecht and told him that they had seen the Jews putting the fire to the houses. That wasn't true, but the king decided to calm down the situation and expel the Jews from Krakow. And he expelled them 800 meters away. He could, because there was a Jewish quarter there already in a separate city called Kazimierz, after the king Kazimierz the Great, who located the city in 1335. And that's a place that we are going to see. So it will take us about 10 minutes to walk there, and then I promise I will tell you the rest of the story. Let's go. This was recreated in 2010, and now it's considered to be the Lovers Bridge. So you see thousands of locks with people's names. They believe if they lock it and throw the keys to the river, this will be everlasting life. If it doesn't work, they cut off the net to get it back. So the city has to repair it. Beautifully lit at night, and the sculptures that you see on the lines, that's a gift from a local artist, Jerzy Kędziora. He called it Between the Water and the Sky. So actually they are balancing, but always in the upright position, because the artist put LED balls at crucial places. So one of the most interesting bridges in the city. So we'll cross with the first houses we are going to pass, orange, green, white. There were houses of doctors and lawyers just from the 18th century. And the Nazi officers were located in them. The wall of the ghetto went behind the houses and along the bank of the river, and that's where we are going to walk right. They were sitting inside controlling the biggest gate. It started here up to the grey building. On the pavement you can see this uneven surface. That's done on purpose, because this is where the wall along the street and here went to this building, like making just the border of the ghetto. One place of hope in the whole ghetto only. Opposite corner you can see this dash building.
Well, I just finished the walking tour. I'm currently in, I believe it's called Ghetto Square, with all these chairs. Anyways, it is unbelievably cold right now. I had to buy some gloves. It is just ungodly cold. So with that being said, this is going to be the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this first video of me in Krakow. My first impressions. It's a pretty cool city so far. I'm enjoying it so far. So far so good. So I will see y'all tomorrow. My name is Zach, and I do like to backpack around the world. My name is Zach, and I do like to backpack around the world. Bye.